Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
Hi, I'm Lorenzo Guzman.
We're super excited about another beautiful listing we have here in the Bay Area. Lorenz, can you believe the prices have gone up so much? It is hard to find a property below $1 million. This is a great opportunity for first-time home buyers or investors. What do you think?
Yes, Eddie, I truly love the location of this property. It's walking distance to schools and downtown Livermore.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 524 Rincon Avenue, Livermore. A beautiful, updated single-story, 3-bedroom, 1-bath, turnkey home, walking distance from historic downtown Livermore and wine country with many upgrades throughout. The living area offers an abundance of natural light, plantation shutters, hardwood floors, and a wood-burning fireplace. The modern kitchen gleams with granite countertops and custom backsplash. You will appreciate the many upgrades including designer ceiling fans, recessed lighting, complete sewer line replacement with 2 cleanouts, a fully cleaned attic with the asbestos completely removed, newly installed AC unit, furnace, and much more. There's a 2-car garage with additional parking for 3 vehicles. The very spacious backyard with a covered seating and dining area makes this the perfect space for entertaining and relaxation. Tennis courts and the newly renovated May Nissen Park are just across the street. This home is walking distance to highly rated Livermore schools, premium dining, and shopping areas with easy access to 580, 680, and 84 freeways. A commuter's dream.
Thank you for taking the tour.
As you saw, it's a gorgeous property, and if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.